Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Tiny Leaf. If you're like me, you love having continuous color and beauty in your flower beds. That's why today, we're diving into the wonderful world of reblooming perennials. These amazing plants don't just give you one spectacular show. They flower multiple times throughout the growing season, often with a little deadheading. Get ready to discover 12 fantastic perennials that will keep your garden bursting with blooms. Let's get started with our first reblooming superstar. 1. Coreopsis, also known as tick seed, is a cheerful and incredibly long-blooming perennial. With its daisy-like flowers in sunny yellows, oranges, and reds, it's a real workhorse in the garden. Deadhead spent blooms regularly, and you'll be rewarded with flushes of flowers from early summer right through fall. They're also drought-tolerant and attract pollinators. Second, salvia, or sage, offers a wide range of colors and textures. Many varieties, especially those with spikes of blue, purple, pink, or red flowers, are fantastic rebloomers. Deadheading spent flower spikes encourages them to produce more. Plus, many salvias are deer-resistant and attract hummingbirds. 3. Gaillardia, or blanket flower, brings a fiery touch to the garden with its bold daisy-like blooms in shades of red, orange, and yellow, often with striking patterns. These tough plants are drought-tolerant and bloom profusely from summer to fall, especially if you deadhead regularly. 4. Echinacea, or coneflower, is a garden favorite for its beautiful daisy-like flowers with prominent central cones. While traditionally purple, you can now find them in a range of colors like pink, white, yellow, and orange. Deadheading encourages more blooms, and the seed heads provide winter interest and food for birds. 5. Nepeta, or catmint, is a low-maintenance perennial with soft gray-green foliage and delicate spikes of lavender blue or white flowers. It's incredibly attractive to bees and, yes, cats. Shearing back the spent flower spikes after the first flush will result in another round of blooms, often even more prolific. 6. Veronica, or speedwell, offers elegant spikes of blue, purple, pink, or white flowers that add vertical interest to the garden. Many varieties are excellent rebloomers, especially if you remove the faded flower spikes. They're also relatively low maintenance and attract butterflies. 7. Phlox paniculata, or garden phlox, is a classic summer perennial with large cluster of fragrant flowers in a wide array of colors. Deadheading spent flower heads will encourage a second, often lighter, flush of blooms later in the season. Choose mildew-resistant varieties for best results. 8. Achillea, or yarrow, features flat-topped clusters of small, tightly packed flowers in colors like yellow, red, pink, and white. It's drought-tolerant and attracts beneficial insects. Deadheading the spent flower heads will often lead to more blooms throughout the summer. 9. Campanula, or bellflower, offers charming bell-shaped flowers in shades of blue, purple, pink, and white. Many varieties will rebloom if you deadhead the spent flowers. They add a lovely cottage garden feel. 10. Dianthus, or pinks, are known for their often fragrant fringed flowers in shades of pink, red, white, and bicolors. Many varieties will rebloom if deadheaded regularly. They prefer well-drained soil and add a touch of charm to borders and containers. 11th, Stella d'Oro daylily is a specific cultivar known for its exceptional reblooming ability. Its golden yellow trumpet-shaped flowers appear in early summer and continue to bloom sporadically throughout the season, even without extensive deadheading, though it does help. 12th Gora, or wand flower, produces delicate, airy flowers on long, slender stems, giving it a graceful, almost butterfly-like appearance. It blooms for an extended period from summer to fall. While you don't necessarily need to deadhead every single spent flower, removing larger sections of finished stems can encourage more blooms. So there you have it, 12 fantastic perennial flowers that will reward you with multiple flushes of beautiful blooms throughout the growing season. Remember, consistent deadheading is key to encouraging that rebloom for most of these beauties. Which of these reblooming perennials is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening, everyone!